And in my humble opinion, the easiest wig to wear for beginners are lace top wigs and closure wigs. And I'll tell you, this is an example of one of our short full lace wigs. Now this one actually has a silk top, but for the most part it's like a full lace wig. There are no wefts in the back, there's color on the cap. But you have to secure this piece all around. You're gonna have to secure it all. This is where the ears go. You can secure it all around. Now some people prefer to just secure the front, and they'll probably put a comb in the back, different things like that. The band on the inside helps, but for the most part, this is what a full lace wig is basically comprised of. Full lace, and you have to secure it all around the perimeter. An example of a skin top wig with a lace front. Now this is lace in the front, and this is a skin top. A skin top resembles scalp. It is not hard, it's very soft, but it does resemble scalp. But this one has a little bit of lace in the front so that you can have volume and that you can have it pulled away from your face, but it still will give you this parting space. Now this parting space is a 4x4. You're not stuck in just one space. You can part it anywhere within the 4x4. And in the back of the piece, there are wefts. So this is a lace front with a skin top. It's a lace top wig with a double lining. So it has double lace, so it looks scalpy. It looks very much like scalp. But people think, oh, lace tops are flat. Lace tops can have volume, but it depends on how you style it. So you have to style it with volume in mind, and I'm going to show a video on how to do that as well. But this is a lace top wig. Now this one is lace on the top. It's actually a lace top with a lace front, but it also has wefts in the back. Now some people are afraid of the wefts in the back. They're afraid the wind is going to blow and the secret is going to be out. But trust me, that doesn't happen. But that is a concern for some people when they look for wigs. They don't want any wefts, and this is indeed a lace top. Now I'm going to show you a lace closure wig. You're going to say, what's the difference between a lace top wig and a lace closure wig? Wording. Nothing. So this is a lace closure wig, very similar to a lace top wig. Now this one is made with a darker lace because it's kinky curly hair, but it is a darker lace, but it is an HD lace. However, it does have a 5x5 closure. Now you don't have to do anything with this piece besides pop her on your head. So that's why I say the lace closure wigs and the lace top wigs are the easiest, because you literally just have to pop them on. With the full lace wigs, you have to make sure you secure the back, the sides, all that good jazz. And I know people like it. They love the full lace because they say, I want to put my hair in 4 ponytails. Do you? But they say that. So they want the freedom to be able to do so with full lace. It's great. You know, it's breathable. There are no wefts in the back. It's magical. It's magical. But for practical reasons, if you can't go to the salon a lot and you're not very good with hair, I would say get a lace top wig or a lace closure wig to start off with. If you're gonna go to the salon every 2 weeks or go to the salon to get your wig installed, I would never tell anybody to be at home putting adhesive on your hair or your skin. I would never do that. So I would not tell you to do that. So if you need to have a style with adhesive, I recommend you going to a professional only. I know we're living in a DIY world and nobody wants to hear that, but that's my opinion. So I think that lace top wigs and lace closure wigs are really good for beginners and someone who doesn't know a lot about this, for rookies.